going to teach you how to create an account with GoDaddy. If you've ever wanted to secure your own domain or explore their hosting services, this step-by-step tutorial is just what you need to get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once that's ready, navigate over to www.godaddy.com. Once on the homepage, you should notice a Sign In button located at the top right of the screen. Click on that and you will see an option labeled Create My Account. Go ahead and select it to begin the account creation process. Now let's discuss the different methods you can use to sign up for a GoDaddy account. You have a few options here. You can either use your email, your Google account, or connect through your Facebook account. Let's say you choose to sign up using an email, which is a popular choice. Simply enter your desired email address, create a unique username, and set a strong password. Don't forget to select your country or region from the drop-down menu. If you're using Google or Facebook, the process will be similar. Just follow the prompts to authorize GoDaddy to connect to your chosen account. Once you've entered all your details, GoDaddy might send you a confirmation email. This is a standard procedure to verify your identity and ensure your security. So hop over to your email inbox, find the email from GoDaddy, and click on the verification link provided. This step is crucial as it confirms that you have access to the email you provided. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder as it may have landed there by mistake. After you've verified your email, it's time to log in to your new account. Return to the GoDaddy homepage at do.godaddy.com. Click Sign In again, but this time you'll use the credentials you just created. Enter your username and password and then log in. That's it. You now have a GoDaddy account and the possibilities are endless. You can now explore GoDaddy services such as buying your very own domain name or setting up comprehensive hosting for your website. Additionally, their platform allows you to manage all aspects of your website in one convenient place. Having a GoDaddy account opens the door to a world of opportunities for aspiring webmasters, bloggers, and business owners eager to establish an online presence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you find this guide helpful and that you're excited to begin your journey with GoDaddy. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll dive into tips and tricks for managing your online endeavors seamlessly.